got something for you. We need to meet.
Me? What, face to face? Should I look for a guy in a mask?
No mask. Just follow my signal.
I thought you never wanted to meet.
I don't. But we need to meet.
Help! Help us, please!
911, what's your emergency? Shooting! They're shooting! I don't know how many. Come quickly!
CCRS can't authorize. Initializing search for suspect now. All units of the squad, CCRS has located the suspect, distributing location now.